Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very simple craft video. I'm going to make two DIYs related to Navratri. So let's get started. Let's start making the tassel earrings. For this I'm taking pink yarn and the box lid like this, and I'm looping the yarn around the lid around 50 times. Done with the looping, now I'm cutting a piece of pink yarn and then I'll insert it like this in between, and will tie a couple of knots to secure all the loops. Next I'll take this out from the lid and then I'll tighten the knots which I've placed earlier to secure it more nicely. Now I'll cut through the yarn like this, stretching it out tightly, and then I'll try to rub my fingers through the yarn pieces so that they all get little bit straightened up before we start grooming it. Before grooming, I'm taking a yellow piece of yarn and looping it around on the top like this very tightly, so that we have a like it looks good. If we tie it around, it looks a cute tassel. Now I'm just cutting some uneven pieces and making it as even as possible, and our tassel will be ready. Now I'm taking a big size needle ताकि मैं tassel के ऊपर वाले जो दो yarn के pieces है उनमें beads pass कर सकूँ, because other than needle it's very difficult to pass through the yarn through the small hole of beads, और मुझे दो pieces of yarn के pass करने same beads में से. So yeah, I'm using needle for that, and after putting my two beads, I'm using a jump ring and a earring hook, and I'll pass the jump ring through the earring hook first and I'll close it back. Then I'll pass a piece of yarn through the jump ring, and then I'll tie a couple of knots on the jump ring, and then our earrings will be ready. I seriously like them. They are super duper light in weight, so they are very good to do Garba and dance moves. Wearing them, our ears won't get hurt. So yeah, our earrings look so pretty. Next we will be making this blingy colorful dandiya set. तो मेरे पास ये दो प्लास्टिक की rods already थी. मैं ऐसे सामान इकट्ठे करते रहती हूँ, कभी कहीं से कुछ मिल जाता है या आ जाता है तो. And then I started applying this golden lace to the rod like this. But soon I realized कि ऐसे तो काम नहीं चलने वाला. वो बहुत मोटा होता जा रहा था और लेस सही से मुझसे twist नहीं हो रही थी honestly. So then I took it out and then I stick it to the rod vertically. You'll see it in a bit. So yeah, then I covered the whole plastic rod with this golden lace on both the side पूरा cover करने के लिए. And फिर then I used fake rhinestone lace. ये सब collection मेरे पास है, तो you can use whatever lace or decorations or fabric piece you have at home, because ये तो same नहीं हो सकता, तो whatever you have you can use. And then I attached 2 pom-poms at the end और एक tassel attach किया, and yeah, मेरा डांडिया ऐसे ready हो जाएगा. मैंने पहले बोल दिया but अभी होगा. And yeah, my dandiya is almost ready. You can decorate your dandiya as however you like. I just wanted to share my decoration with you all, and I hope you all like it. Like that video, hit that like button if you do, and comment down below which DIY you like the most. Also, I know this year we won't be able to celebrate Navratri as we used to do, but it's okay, we can still do some Garba and some dance moves with our family in our living room. That's what we are going to do. So yeah, festival की craziness तो नहीं जानी चाहिए, festivals तो मनाने चाहिए. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. Please help me grow the channel. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative.